Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable cordless car vacuum available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Bleston LT114. Let's get started. Product feature. Powerful suction. Features two efficient suction modes with up to 9 kilopascals of cyclonic power, perfect for cleaning everything from car seats to ceiling cobwebs. Lightweight portability. Weighing only 1.6 pounds, this cordless handheld design allows you to clean freely without the hassle of tangled wires or heavy lifting. Fast charging battery. Equipped with multiple 2,000 milliamp hour lithium-ion batteries that provide over 30 minutes of use after a quick 3-hour charge. Integrated LED light. Features a built-in light to illuminate dark corners and hidden dirt under seats, ensuring your cleaning is as accurate as possible. Complete accessory kit. Includes a dust brush, crevice tool, and extension tube, making it easy to reach cup holders, baseboards, and tight gaps. Washable HEPA filter. Comes with a removable and reusable HEPA filter that improves air quality and extends the vacuum's life when properly maintained. Compact storage. The sleek form factor and 12-ounce dustbin allow it to fit seamlessly into small cabinets, laundry rooms, or garage storage areas. Pros. You will absolutely love the freedom this cordless vacuum provides, making it so easy to keep your car and home spotless. It feels incredibly light in your hand, so you won't get tired while reaching for high corners. Plus, the added safety of surge protection and the peace of mind from 24-hour technical support shows that Bleston truly cares about your satisfaction. Cons. Because it is designed to be compact and easy to store, the 12-ounce dustbin may fill up quickly during larger jobs. Also, remember to plan ahead, as the 3-hour charging time is necessary to give you that full 30 minutes of high-power cleaning performance. Final thoughts. Imagine the feeling of stepping into a perfectly clean car every single day. This vacuum is more than just a tool. It's a simple way to bring a sense of order and comfort to your busy life. It gives you the power to handle life's little messes the moment they happen. You can feel confident knowing you have a reliable companion to keep your personal spaces fresh and inviting. Stop settling for a messy car and reclaim your space today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video to see more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.